We frequently convert various MS Office files into PDFs. But do you know how to convert a selected portion of an Excel file into a PDF? Today, I will show you how you can do this with a few simple steps. First, open your MS Excel file. Then, select the portion of the file that you would like to convert as PDF. After the selection, simply press F12 and you will see a dialog box opening. Here, you can rename your file as you desire. Make sure that you change the Save As Type option to PDF. Finally, you need to click on Options, which you will see below the Save As Type bar and under the category of Optimize For. Upon clicking on Options, you will see another dialog box opening where you need to click on Selection. This will turn your selected portion of the Excel file into PDF. Now, just click on Save and your selected portion of the Excel file will be saved on your system as a PDF file. Hope you find this video informative. For more videos of this kind, subscribe to the MyTasker YouTube channel.